Imagine this. You're buried under a mountain of emails and dinner plans. Sound familiar? Meet Steve, the overwhelmed office worker, just like many of us. Steve glances at his inbox and gasps. It's an overwhelming disaster. Unread emails are stacked high. What about dinner? The options are far from simple. But here's his saving grace, Gemini Pro. Think of it as the perfect friend who always has your back. Picture Steve facing the email tsunami. His chaotic inbox looms over him. The motivation to tackle it is fading. But wait. He copies an email thread and pastes it into Gemini Pro. Can you summarize this for me? He asks. In just moments, clear and concise summaries emerge. Steve can finally take a deep breath. Now, it's time to tackle dinner. He opens the fridge and cringes. What he sees looks like a battlefield. An old egg and expired sauces stare him down. But Steve has a plan. He snaps a photo and texts it to Gemini Pro, asking, "What can I whip up with these?" With a touch of humor. Gemini Pro suggests a sad egg scramble. Steve chuckles, relieved he can always fall back on pizza. Next, he faces the infamous blank page. He's supposed to write about houseplants, but his mind is blank. Thankfully, he turns to Gemini for inspiration. He types, "Give me 5 funny blog titles about indoor plants." In a flash, Gemini Pro responds with a witty list. Suddenly, ideas flood Steve's mind. He feels like a creative genius once again. From drowning in emails to solving dinner dilemmas, Gemini Pro is the ideal companion. It manages life's pesky tasks and brightens your day. If you're ready to simplify your life, give Gemini Pro a try. Wave goodbye to stress and say hello to a joyful routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Let Gemini Pro transform your challenges into simple solutions. Your peace of mind is waiting for it.